Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start new topic expansion formulae. This is very important topic from algebra. Today we are going to do some activities regarding to expansion of formulae. Watch the video carefully and up to end. Expansion of a plus b bracket square. Here using the area we find out the a plus b bracket square. Here I draw a square. Observe the video carefully. This part is a and this is b. Here also a and b. Means the length of the square is a plus b. So what is the area of this complete square? That is a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b bracket square. Now this complete square we divide into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square of length a. Therefore area of this yellow larger square, that is a square. These two quadrilaterals are rectangles. Here length is a and breadth is b. Here length is a and breadth is b. So area of this part and this part. This is AB. This is also AB. Now area of this smaller square. Length b. Breadth is also b. Therefore this is a square. Area of this square is b square. Now area of this larger square, given square, complete square, is equal to area of this yellow larger square and these two rectangles and this smaller square. Now we add all the areas, that is a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. So we get the formula a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here ab and ab, these two are like terms. Coefficient is 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Remember this expansion a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Expansion of a minus b bracket square. Here I draw a square of side A. I mark here 2 lines. Now length or width of this part, that is equal to b. Here that is equal to b. Now remaining part, that is this complete is a and this part is b. Therefore this length of this part, that is a minus b. Here also a minus b. Now this is a square, therefore area of this square is a minus b bracket square. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. First highlight this part. Now area of this square, larger yellow square, that is a minus b bracket square. Green rectangle. length is a minus b, breadth is b. Here length is same, a minus b, breadth is b. Therefore area of rectangle b into bracket a minus b, here is also b into bracket a minus b. Now area of this smaller square, that is side is b, therefore area of the smaller square, that is b square. Now here we calculate this area, only this part, this yellow larger square. Area of this part is a plus b bracket square. Now how to obtain by this figure, that is this complete square minus this part and this part. We get area of this part. So a minus b bracket square is equal to area of complete square, that is a square, minus this part, that is b into bracket a minus b. Now subtract this part, b into bracket a minus b, this part, that is minus b square. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square as it is. Now expand this bracket, minus ab minus minus plus b square, minus ab minus minus plus b square minus b square is equal to a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus ab, bring together like terms, plus b square minus b square. Here b square minus b square cancel and minus ab like terms, minus 1 that is minus 2ab. So write down a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Expansion of a plus b, a minus b. Here I draw rectangle and convert into 4 parts. This is a, this is b, length, and this complete length is also a. Now this complete length, that is a plus b. This length is b. Therefore this is a minus b. Now what is the area of this yellow rectangle? Length is a, breadth is a minus b. Therefore a into bracket a minus b. What about this square? Side of this square is b. Therefore b square. And what about this green rectangle? Here length is a minus b and breadth is b. b into bracket a minus b. This is b square and this is b into bracket a minus b. And what about this? A into b, ab. Now a plus b, a minus b. This complete length is a plus b and this is a minus b. Means now we consider area of only this rectangle. This yellow and upper side yellow rectangle and green rectangle. A plus b in second bracket a minus b is equal to this part. We move here, same part. Means now area of this rectangle is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now what is the area of this larger rectangle? That is a into bracket a minus b. And what about this? That is equal to b into bracket a minus b. Write down a into bracket a minus b plus b into bracket a minus b. A square minus ab plus ab minus b square is equal to a square minus b square. Expansion of x plus a in second bracket x plus b. I here draw a rectangle divided into four parts. This is x, this is a, x, b. What is the area of complete rectangle? That is equal to length is x plus a, breadth is x plus b. Write down x plus a in second bracket x plus b is equal to. What is the area of yellow part? That is a square, x square. This is ax, length is a, breadth is x. Here length is b and breadth is x. That is bx. What about this blue part? A and this breadth is b. That is AB. Now area of this complete rectangle is equal to sum of these all four parts. So write down x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Here x is common, so x plus a in second bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b in bracket complete into x plus ab. Now this is the formula for x plus a into bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus into bracket a plus b into x plus ab. Complete all these formulas in your notebook, and in our next video we start practice set 5.1